Welcome back. Now in this video we will show the user image, okay, right in the row and in here. So let's go and work on that. First we will create some height between the job title and the user image that we are about to create. Below this padding, first we will say size box and we will give the height to 20. Add the const modifier to this size box. Now below that, in here we will say row widget, in here comma, and tag this down. First we will set the property man axis alignment. We're gonna set this to start, so it's gonna be right in the start. Man axis alignment dot start. Now we will say children. Right in the children we will have a container widget, in here comma, tag this down. In here first we will set the height, it's going to be 60, and also we will set the width, it's going to be also 60, and we will do some decoration, so box decoration. Now right in there we will set the border, and we will say border dot all, in here comma, and tag this down. First we will set the width to 3, it's going to be simple for the border, and you will set the color, so color is going to be gray, comma, and we will give the shape, so write down in here we will say shape property, we will say box shape, there we go, dot rectangle. There you go with the suggestion, put comma, and then you will say image decoration image. Now in here comma, first tag this down, spot it. Now right in the decoration image you will say image, and then with the help of network image, what we will do right in there, you will say user image URL. There we go, the suggestion. If that equal to no, then writing if, what we will do, write in the string, put in here semicolon, open the browser, and I have already searched this image and I choose that. So in your case, go to the browser and search for any kind of image like that and copy the URL, okay, like that, copy it and go back to the Android Studio. So here we are, writing the string, just paste it the URL, as you guys can see right in here. If the user image URL, if that equal to no, if there will be no image URL, then we will show that right in the if, okay, simply we will show that. And in here we will remove that semicolon because we are about to have an else, so in here remove that semicolon and tag this down. In here we will say else, okay. Now in there you will simply say user image URL with a null check, comma. That's fine, as you guys can see right in here, okay. Just don't get confused in that. Let me just explain it one more time. If the user image URL, if that equal to null, then we will show that URL for the image that I show in the browser, okay, it will run that. And if the user image URL not equal to null, then we will simply show the current user image URL, which will be the current profile for the current user who will be online. So that's the purpose, that's why we did it like that, and I hope you can get the idea. You guys will notice the output just in a while. First let me just complete that. Now in here put comma and take this down. In here we will just fit it, box fit, then show the suggestion, there we go, box fit dot fill, that's fine. In here comma. So there's all the working for showing the image, okay, everything is just fine. Now just simply come here and hot reload the app. You guys will notice the output. So we are here on the job screen, it's loading, and just click on that. We will go toward the job details screen. There we go, it's loading, and there we go with the profile. Okay, it's working totally fine. In here, the user image URL it's not equal to no. Okay, because that current user, he already uploaded the profile picture right at the sign up time. Okay, so in here, user image URL not equal to no, so it will not run this if, but it will run this else, in which it will contain the user profile, and it's showing right here. As you guys can see the result, it's working totally fine, and you guys can see that. That's why I tell you the profile is going to be in a row. Okay, right in here. That's why in here use the row widget. So that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see ya.